Do you know what the sizes I have taken for this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter and the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here. You can see here the window arrangement. After that we will go inside, so we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside, so we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have 3 windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. On the right side you can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage here. After that we'll go inside, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.